Nexans places the energy transition at the core of its renewable energy strategy, providing Keylios cabling solutions for solar farms globally. By 2024, renewable power capacity is set to expand by 50%, led by solar PV. Nexans Keylios provides full end-to-end cabling solutions, including EnergyFlex solar copper cable, LVDC underground aluminium cables, MVAC cables to the grid interconnection, all the pre-connected jumpers of the active equipment, and also end-to-end data cabling solutions. Nexans launches a new way of LVDC cabling, the Keylios Photovoltaic Harness. Up until today, the only way to wire the LVDC part of the PV installation, and so to convey the produced energy, was to connect each group of photovoltaic modules, also called string, with multiple lengths of cable to the combiner box placed at the end of the PV table. Thanks to its engineering team, Nexans has developed a ready-to-connect product that simplifies the cabling. The photovoltaic harness is manufactured in our factory to avoid any risks associated to an on-site connector assembly, allowing the suppression of failures. This ready-to-connect photovoltaic harness makes customers and installers' lives easier, with a quick, easy and reliable installation on site. And in the end, combining all the energy from several strings into one reliable product to reduce cable length. This is the Keylios Photovoltaic Harness. The design of Keylios Photovoltaic Harness is based on our Nexans reliable EnergyFlex cables, welded together by ultrasonic technology to compose a T-junction with an IP67 overmolding to convey the energy of the module's strings safely. We propose to integrate inline fuses directly to protect the installation against a possible overcurrent, a safe, reliable, cost-effective and therefore optimized solution for PV installations, which also reduces the size of the combiner box. The benefits are clear. You achieve CAPEX savings. Keylios Photovoltaic Harness solution is a true re-engineering of your electrical layout, saving CAPEX expense up to 15% by reducing cable lengths up to 36%. Electrical cabling and fire represent almost 50% of photovoltaic farm failures. With the harness solution, you achieve OPEX savings by defect elimination. Keylios helps optimize the return on investment based on a minimum 25 years asset lifetime. Nexans Services and Solutions teams support you throughout your entire solar project. Nexans brings value to its customers by supporting them during the energy transition.